We're tight. We're freaking tight. We got smashed. Oh, we got smashed. Ah, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. We got popped. Big one, big one, big one, baby. Oh, yes. Oh, yes, baby. Let's go. He's trying to run. Oh, he's fighting. He's fighting. I got him, though. I got him. We good. Yes. Yeah, I did not think they was. Look at that. That's a big one. That's a big fatty. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Look at this little fella. Look at this. This is a biggie. That one is big. All right, right back there. Oh my goodness. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Look how big he is. That's like easily 17. No doubt, bro. Bro, hold up. What the hands? Yo, this was the first cast into the hole. Look at this fella. Bro. Hold up. Bro, look at that fish. Come on. What? Quick release on this guy. Quick one. Let him go. Oh, look at he's running. He's picking. Tight. Help. I'm losing the battle. It's a trout. It's a freaking trout, baby. Let's go. He's choked it. He killed this. Oh, man. He's going berserk. I got him. Good. Oh, yeah, we recorded. Look at him. A nice one. Another nice one. Let's go. Oh, he's running. I can't get him. I gotta play this so light. Yo, on the trout magnet, baby. On the trout, I'm in no rush. These fish are hard to come by. I'm in no rush whatsoever. I'm just get my pliers. And look, this is him right here. Oh my goodness, he is running. Oh my goodness, he is running. He's like, I'm gone. He's like, I'm out of here. So fun on light tackle. But yeah, he's about at least 12 inches, give or take. Man, I can't ever get him in. Will I ever get this fish in? Hey, look at, oh man, what a beauty. And get my pliers. He wants to go over here. That's fine, we can go over here. Giant. Oh my, ooh, giant fish. This fish is humongous. Oh, whoa, wait. It's